Now we're back to learning Inkscape in year day 80. Let me show the different text orientation options. By default, you're gonna have horizontal text from left to right. If I create two lines here, you can see that. So that's typically the Western way to write. But in some countries, they write from right to left, and you can change that right here. So horizontal is set by default. And then you've got left to right and right to left options here on this right-hand side. If you want to create not horizontal but vertical text, you can use these two options right here. And you can also switch the lines from left to right and right to left. So you've got both covered, horizontal, vertical, and then also left to right and right to left. And this I can change the text orientation in Inkscape. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.